In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xbox One controller to Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your controller working over USB, Bluetooth, or with the Xbox wireless adapter, and how to make sure Steam recognizes it for full configuration support. Let's start with the connection options. USB is the most straightforward. Using a good quality cable, connect your controller directly to your computer. This method is fast, reliable, and doesn't require any wireless setup, which makes it a great choice if you just want to plug in and play. Bluetooth is all about convenience and fewer cables on your desk. If your computer supports Bluetooth, you can connect the controller wirelessly through your operating system's standard Bluetooth settings. Keep in mind that wireless performance can vary based on distance and interference, so staying close to your PC helps maintain a stable connection. The Xbox wireless adapter is designed specifically for Xbox controllers. It offers a strong low-latency link and is a solid option if you want a consistent wireless experience built for gaming. It's a small USB device that provides a direct, purpose-built connection for your controller. Once your controller is connected by whichever method you prefer, it's time to set it up in Steam so everything works smoothly in your games. Open Steam on your computer. In the top left corner, click Steam, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, select the Controller tab. Here, make sure Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers is checked. Turning this on gives you full configuration support, so Steam can recognize your controller properly and let you customize layouts. Program AMI if you want to. With Steam Input enabled, your controller's buttons and triggers should map correctly, and many games will display the right prompts automatically. After enabling that option, your controller should appear as connected in Steam. If it's already plugged in or paired, Steam usually detects it within a few moments. From there, launching a game in your library should allow you to navigate menus and play using the controller without extra setup. If you switch between USB, Bluetooth, or the wireless adapter, Steam will continue to use the same input settings so you don't have to reconfigure each time. That's it. Thanks for watching.